Hello, you wonderful people. Mad Mick from Zontes Parts Buying Club. If you have a 2019 early 2020 Zontes X, T and R model, and if your bike has the original silver rear sprocket on the bike, a great mod here for you. Lower your RPM in each gear by 500 RPM. So if you're in 6th gear, you're normally doing 60 miles an hour or 100 kilometers an hour at 6,000 RPM. You'll be doing it at 5,500 RPM. It elongates each gear, so you got less revs in each gear, if that makes sense to you. Just read what I've put below on the video. Your bike has an original 42 tooth silver sprocket. Basically use the sprocket from the Zontes S250 Phantom, which is a 42 sprocket. You need to change this chain as well, which is a 520 pitch the same, but it's only 112 links instead of a standard 114. Buy yourself a good chain at the same time. Get yourself an X or an O-ring chain. They're not dear these days. They'll last 10 times longer. Like this Japanese Kabura chain. Don't forget, this is only if your model Zontes has a silver back sprocket, because the bolt holes on the black sprocket are different and the hub won't fit. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell notification. You know all the gist, don't you? This is Mad Mick signing off. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.